Chelsea, and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer here at Sky Rehab in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and we have some really exciting things happening here at Sky. We're actually expanding our facility, and in the back of our building, we're adding an additional 15 private beds for brain injury and stroke patients. Brain injury and strokes are our specialty here at Sky. We have really good brain injury and stroke programs, and we're actually CARF certified for both brain injury and stroke, which means that we're held to higher expectations for those specific patients, and we have really good outcomes and patient satisfaction. So I want to take a couple minutes and show you a little bit about what the expansion will look like when it's complete. Use your imagination, because we aren't quite finished yet. We're still in the remodeling phase, but it is anticipated to be finished sometime next month, so that's exciting. But this is one of our private rooms, and as you can see, it's huge. It's a really big room, and there's plenty of room for a bed, and there will be great accessibility, and we have a sink in every room, and then the bathrooms are really a good size. So this is going to be our private gym that is exclusively for our brain injury and stroke patients, and in this gym they will receive 15 hours of therapy a week, which is really important for road to recovery for those patients. So now that you've seen a sneak peek of our expansion here at Sky, I also want to add that we are the only licensed inpatient acute care rehab hospital here in South Central Kentucky. So if you or someone you know is suffering from a brain injury or stroke, this is where you want to be for your road to recovery. So please continue to follow us for more updates on our expansion, as well as more details about what specifically we do for brain injury and stroke patients, and why we truly are the best choice for recovery for brain injuries and strokes.